Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at what WTI CRUDE will be giving us this week. But before I go ahead, if you are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, we are now offering a 40% discount, which will only last for 2 to 3 days. So you have within 2 to 3 days for this offer to last. So the link will be in the comment section. Once you go to the comment section, you can now subscribe. Right there, we are going to cover more on WTI CRUDE this week. So if you case you trade WTI and you're interested in the channel, simply go to the comment section, sign up, and we can get started. So I'm also going to put the link to some of those trades we took last week, and one of those trades we took last week was WTI, which we actually hit our profit. So this week we will be looking more on WTI. Right now, let's take a look at this movement on WTI. Now, WTI is at a major key level, right? There are two things WTI wants to do, right? Predict we are to continue to the up movement, or secondly, WTI is very much likely to fall to a level of 73. Currently, WTI is trading at a level of 77, which is can still in 77. We are current market is still open, by the way. I want you to know it. This is about 76.85, close to a level of 77. So we have about 2 hours before market closes. Probably once market closes, it might close at a level of 77. Can't tell right now, but we are close to around a level of 77 right now. This WTI looks like it wants to drop, but we are only going to sell once we get a confirmation. That is exactly what we are going to be doing. Now, take a look at this. Is kind of like a major level here. You can see that once price came to this same level, we had a correction multiple times. Then once price dropped below it, it gave us a pullback to test this level. Then once WTI got to this level, we had this massive drop. Now WTI is at this level, we are very much likely to have this drop. We are only going to take this only when we get a confirmation. Once we get a setup, we all know your sell setup, right? Probably, there are a lot of ways you can get your sell setup. Probably, multiple break of structure on the lower time frame. You can go ahead and take your set of sales. That can be your sell setup. You can go ahead. It depends on how you take your sell setup. Or probably once markets starts trading below your 10 period simple moving average, that can be your sell setup. Or maybe there's a change of character, that could be your sell setup. It just depends on what your sell setup is. So we will be keeping an eye on it, and we are going to give an instant update on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested, you can get 40% discounts. The link will be in the comment section. Like I said, we are very much likely to see that drop. If WTI does not drop from this level, if we don't have a rejection, and if WTI does not drop, then guess what we are doing? Then we will be heading straight to a level of 79. So that is what I'm seeing WTI do. Two things WTI will do, which it will drop, which I think it will do that. But I will only sell. I will only look to sell once I get the setup. If I don't get that setup, I would rather stay away from this trade. So if we don't get the sales setup and WTI does not drop, then we are very much likely to see WTI head to a level of 79. If not, a drop. So we are going to cover more on the Patreon channel. So once you're interested, you can sign up. There's a 40% discount. The link will be in the comment section.